Here is how I sublimate 30-ounce stainless steel clear tumblers. If you'd like to see how I get such vibrant colors in different shades, continue watching the video and hopefully it'll help. First thing I do is go into my computer. On this particular one, I'm using Word. You can use any type of program. And I'm just pulling up the image that I wanted to add onto there and checking the size. Always go back in and resize the image because sometimes when you first pull it up, it's not going to be correct. You're using 8 by 5 by 14 size paper and sizing the image to 8 by 5 by 10 inches. So make sure you go in and check that each time, because if not, sometimes the image will not come out the correct size. And then here you see I am going to go ahead and now print the image out. And here's me printing it, making sure that everything is okay with the image. Again, there are two size papers you can use, but for the 30 ounce, you need 8 by 5 by 14. Also, make sure you mirror the image and take off the bidirectional printing before you print your image. For regular 20 ounces, you can use 8 by 5 by 11 size paper. Once I've done that, I'll show you here. I am using the stainless steel Depot Hog tumblers, which are the 30 ounce size ones, as I sit and struggle a bit to get it out of the bag. I do apologize, but here is the actual tumbler. You can make sure you check it for defects, but it's a pretty cool clean tumbler. The paper again for this one is 8 by 5 by 14 sublimatable printed paper. Printed and trimmed down to 8.5 by 10. Once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and wrap your tumbler. I wrap my tumblers, as you will see, pretty tight with a lot of tape, because a lot of tape overlapping makes it easier for it to come off for me. I rub around it to make sure it's on there completely correctly, and then I make sure that it is also sized into the area I want, usually close to the lip rounded part at the top, so it's even at the top and bottom. You're going to want to set your tumbler press to 375 degrees for 60 seconds, starting with your tape facing up at the top, pulling your knobs all the way up. So don't worry that it doesn't close completely. I promise you it'll be fine. Let the timer run out for those 60 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and redo the same thing. But this time, we're going to open it up. We're going to face the tape straight down. So we're going to turn it 180 degrees straight down. Press it again for another 60 seconds. Again, it's fine that it doesn't close all the way. No worries. I promise you it will be okay. Now we're going to go and take it and bring the tape facing us. This time we're only going to press for 30 seconds. After that, we're going to take it and face away from us toward the back of the tumbler and press again for 30 seconds. We're going to let these cool completely, guys. It helps with making sure you get no ghosting. I did several so that you can get a chance to see how it comes out with different types of colors on different images. And we're going to go ahead and unwrap those pretty quickly so that you can see them all. This one, of course, is just mostly black and white and some pink. This one right here, with a little bit of struggle, has a little holographic green in it. Came out pretty good. Most of them come out with no seams. When you try to do that, I dust off that excess sometimes with the color that comes with it. This one is a orange and red and yellow. This one right here also came out pretty great. It is a one piece with color and then the black and white in it. And we have another one here with just a bunch of galaxy water type colors. As you can see, the colors come out very vibrant on these. All of them come out very well. This one is just a nice simplicity gnome, blue and white and black. And this one right here, my favorite, is my Grinchmas. As you can see, it came out so gorgeous. I am in love with this tumbler. I really do hope this helped you all in some kind of way to be able to do the 30-ounce stainless tumblers and know that you can produce really great quality products. Again, here is just a video showing you each of the tumblers that will also be included in my TikTok shop. That is the finished products. Thank you all for watching.